Hey GWURL, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula. I am the lover of all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And welcome to today's video, 2025 summer trend. Actually, it's not a summer trend, it's just a trend for 2025. But before we get into the video, let's make sure you are subscribed to the channel because a bunch of you girls are watching, but y'all not subscribing. So go ahead and click that red subscribe button. Don't forget your notification bell. And of course, please share the video. Sharing means caring. Now let's get into it. As you can tell by the title, this video is all about the wide leg trend for 2025. Wide leg pants are in. They actually never went anywhere. They actually were on trend last year, and I think it just continued on. But everywhere you turn, the wide legs are there. This video is not sponsored. The wide leg pants in today's video are from Fashion Nova. What's been more important to me is finding pieces to be able to wear to church. As I'm looking for cute pieces for church, every time I turned around, I was stumbling across wide leg pants. It's like everywhere I scroll, everywhere I look, wide leg pants. I am really a fan of the wide leg trend. I love a wide leg pant. Let me just make this disclaimer. I know I'm doing too much talking, but let me just say this. I do still have my boutique. My boutique is still on hiatus. However, I've been shopping. I'm not trying to push or promote Fashion Nova. They don't need me to do that. But since I've been looking for pieces for church and my boutique don't have these pieces. Okay, enough of all that yapping. Let's get into the haul. Now, up first are these really cute wide leg trousers. They are hot pink. They do contain really good stretch. Everything I wear has to contain some form of spandex. Y'all, look at these. I'm 5'3". I have on heels. I don't know the inseam, so you'll have to just look that up yourself. If I can, I will try and link it. Y'all already know how things are on Fashion Nova. If you don't get it right then, it sells out just like that. If you don't see a link, that means it's sold out and I couldn't find it. When I ordered these pants, once I got them, I fell in love with them. I fell in love with the way they fit, and I ended up buying them in 2 more colors. This is the burnt orange. I don't know if that's really the actual color for them, but that's what color they look. But they're exactly like the hot pink. They seem like they're a tad bit longer. If you look at them and you look at the hot pink ones, they are a tad bit longer, but I kept the same heels on, and I will keep the same heels on even for the next pair. I don't know if I said it, but all 3 pairs that I'm trying on are a size large. And here's the classic black. Now, what I did not say before and what I just realized, this button that you see, this is not a functioning button. It's just here for decorations. These trousers, depending on your height, you can dress them up or down. Like I said, I wanted them for church, so they'll be dressed up. Next up are these super cute, like extreme wide leg pants. I absolutely love them. They are actually a 2-piece set. This is the top that I absolutely cannot do anything with. Actually, I could. I think I would just need to have some type of shirt underneath because it's cropped. And with me having big boobs, it's like really cropped. It's like you could almost, if I do this or move the wrong way, you could see my bra. I would definitely have to have something underneath. This is a size extra large. This waist area, because it has elastic in the back, it is very, very roomy, very spacious. Now I know for the pants, I could have sized down to a large, but a large top would not work because that extra large barely works. I actually don't have to wear that top because as you can see, it looks good with the top that I have on. And let me just say that this top also came from Fashion Nova. They do have pockets. The pants, they are extremely long. I'm wearing them with heels. I know I'm not the tallest person, but I thought about getting them cut in hem, but I think it would actually change the look of the pants. So I'll just leave them as they are and just wear them with heels whenever I wear them. Okay, now of course I had to have the wide leg denim. Now these are not just any denim, these are some super cute denim. I love the tie at the bottom. You pull each one, it has the elastic in, you pull it and you tie them. and you create the look that I have here. These have very minimum stretch, and I think these are a size extra large. If they have reviews, which almost all of Fashion Nova products have reviews, so I try to read the reviews until I find someone who actually detail how something fits. So whenever you're ordering on Fashion Nova, make sure you read the reviews before you just order something. I look at product detail. I want to see what the material is. I want to see what it's made of. If I don't see spandex at least 2% or more, I'm not getting it. I should say 5% or more, because that 2% is very minimal. And I think these are 2%. They are a little snug. It's showing off my fupa. I don't really care for that, but hey, it is what it is. And I can't believe I'm saying that because I want a tummy tuck so bad. But anyway, microphone check, 1 2 1 2. Here's the 2-piece set. Now, when I ordered this, I did not realize that it was a jumpsuit. I thought it was a top and a bottom. But when I got it, as you can see, it is 2 pieces. And y'all, I don't have on my foundation underneath. Whenever I actually wear this, I will have foundation on underneath. So yeah, y'all getting it all. So anyway, again, I'm not the tallest person, but it's not really, really long. So I'm thinking whenever I wear this, I will have to wear it with flats. When I get on my tiptoes, it's just not giving me the look of wide leg pants that I like. It looks more like it's flooding. I don't know if y'all ever heard that term, but that's when your pants are high water, like too high. So anyway, this 2-piece set is a size medium. I read the reviews and I saw quite a few people say that it runs kind of big. So I decided, since large is my normal size that I purchased, I went ahead and I sized down to a medium. And I'm glad I did, because I actually love the fit of the medium. This is very, very loose and comfortable. I don't know how it's coming off on camera, but this looked like it's black and white, but it's actually cream and black. It's more of an off-white. We have come to the last outfit of the day, which is absolutely my favorite out of this entire haul. I love a jumpsuit. I have been searching for the right denim jumpsuit. I don't know if this is the right denim jumpsuit, but I have been searching for a denim jumpsuit. I wanted something that was cute, something that was stylish, something that I could wear to church or I could wear to brunch. So I ordered this full of hope. From what I saw in the product detail, and then when I read those reviews, I was like, I don't know, I'm just gonna take a chance. This is a size extra large, and I'm glad I ordered a size extra large because it gave me the elbow room that I need. I wanted it to be loose, and since it was a 1-piece, baby, I hit it on the money. I absolutely love this jumpsuit. It has the tie front. These are connected. It has elastic in the back, which is an absolute plus. I love this elastic waist back here. It zips here, button down, pockets. She's perfect. I'm wearing her with heels. I'm not really sure of the inseam. I can't tell my tall girls anything. I can't give you a recommendation. You have to do it at your own discretion. If you have made it to this portion of the video, it is the end of this haul, girl, and I want to thank you for joining me. And if you are here and you watched this entire video and you're not subscribed, girl, what are you doing? Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Don't forget that notification bell. Of course, I need you to share it. Share it with all of your family, your friends, your cousins, girl. Share it with the whole family. Share it, put it on your story. I just need you to share it. And I will catch each one of you in the next video. Adios.